All right, guys, we got an awesome product. This is a Dinosaur Monster Truck, 2.4 gigahertz. You have RC, some awesome suspension, powerful high torque motor, some climbing grip tires. We even have a 3.7 volt rechargeable battery and colorful lights. Here we go. Let's get into it and make it happen.
And guess what, Dad?
Is it a T-Rex?
Yeah, and it shoots something out.
You sure about that? Maybe that's where the lights are at. I don't know. We're going to find out. So inside, you have the unit and you have the directions. Check out that remote. Check out our dinosaur right here. And we get to put this guy together. It's not often that you actually get to put something together, so I'm super pumped about this. Let's go ahead and see.
This is on. This is the light button.
Bro, you got a whole light button. Can you show the people of the camera what the light button looks like? Right up top. Boom. Got a light button right there, right in the center. We got all of our wheels. Okay, let's check this out.
I'll put the wheels on too.
All right, these are specific pieces. So let's see if, hold on, let's see if they're specific wheels.
Oh, okay.
Double check so we don't make a mistake here. All right. Oh, and we need screws for it. Okay, so you got to screw these guys on. So what we're gonna end up doing is dropping each wheel on just like so, and then we'll have to actually screw them on as well. So that's kind of neat. That it is neat in that way. Okay, look at that.
Put the two on.
All right, so there goes our wheels, and then you do have a battery on all switch, and then you can change the torque left to right. Pretty cool news is they give you all the stuff you need here. So in your package, you have your screwdriver, and you have your battery, and everything you need. Let's look.
Those are the lights off.
You think so?
Yeah.
All right. Each and every piece. So with the screws.
We need batteries.
Well, good news is they thought of everything in this package. This is the proper dinosaur package right here.
Get the batteries for the remote.
Okay. So we got a screw right here. Let's see how easy it is to screw this guy on. So we're going to go drop this in here.
Can I give you every screw?
We're going to go one at a time, bud. All right. Let's see what we're working on.
I got 3 in my hand. Dad, I got 3 in my hand.
Boom. Just like that. It's got a little bit of give to it.
Dad, I
That
got
works.
3 in my hand.
Okay. I wonder if they're different screws.
No, actually, they are different.
Oh, man.
There's one big one and 2 little ones.
All right. Well, we got to check out what's different because I grabbed one at the end of the day, and I don't know if we got the same. So what we're going to do is we're going to get this figured out here. We got different size screws, so definitely you notate that.
Maybe this one's big screws and the other side is little screws.
Absolutely. Well, we're going to go ahead and look to put this guy together so we can get it rip roaring and running. And guys, at the end of the day, you know what we always say?
Check it out.
Check it out.